Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a billing method in your ad account under Facebook Business Manager account. So for that, the first step is you need to go to this link here. So I have came here, and the next step is you need to select your Facebook Business Manager account. So for my case, this is the add a business manager account that I want to work on. So I just click here, and after that I'll click on the hamburger menu and then click business setting. So from there I will click on the add account button, and then you can see my ad account here. I'll select it and then I'll click on open in ads manager. It will take some time, around 20 to 30 seconds. So we are on the ads manager account, we are under it, and here you need to click on the hamburger menu again from here, and then click billing. After that, click on payment setting, and from here you can add the billing method. So you can see I have already added a billing method here. I am going to show you how you can add that. So for that, just click on add payment method, and then check the information for your ad account. If everything is okay, then click on save, and then you can add your credit card, debit card or PayPal. And if you select and click next, it will ask you for your card information. Then type all the information here and then click save, and you will see that your billing method will be listed here. So thanks for watching.